guys, so today is Tuesday and okay, so I have this calendar. I don't think I showed you guys this yet, but I made a quarantine calendar. So it tells me what day of quarantine we are on, and we're in April. I don't even know what day it is, hold on. It's April 28th, which means today is day 46. Can you guys see that? 46. I just can't even like wrap my head around that. I said that really weird. Can't really wrap my head around that, but you know, we are here, we are doing okay. You know, we're not doing great, but we're not doing bad. I think I've definitely gotten to the point of this quarantine where I just kind of am used to it. Like, I'm just like, okay, yeah, another day. But, you know, each day comes with its own challenges. So today is Tuesday, like I said, and I just finished filming the rest of my DIY video that I'm gonna be putting on my main channel. It's the bleaching my clothes thrift flip that should be up on my channel by now. It's honestly taking me so long to film and edit this video. Like, I cannot remember the last time it's taken me this long to like get a video out into the world, but it's a struggle over here. Like, I don't even know. It's weird because it's like, yeah, I have all this time, but then it's so hard to like get things done during this time. So if you guys are also struggling, if maybe you guys are in school and you have online classes, I know if I was you guys, I would be struggling really bad with that too. I would not want to do my work because it would just be a hard time. So that's kind of the same thing that I'm in because my job is like being creative and putting out content, so it's just been a little bit rough. But it's all good. We're getting back into the swing of things and I am excited. So just to kind of catch you guys up, honestly, there's not really anything that needed to be documented, but on Sunday, Madeline and I actually took my Jeep out for like a joyride kind of thing. It was actually so fun. So if you guys have a car and are able to drive, I would definitely suggest taking a drive. I feel so thankful that I'm living in California right now because we were able to just drive up the PCH and just have amazing views. It was just like the most fun I've had in quarantine, honestly. We drove for like 2.5 hours, which normally I would be like, wow, I'm not driving that long, but it was so much fun. And we actually took the top off of my Jeep and it was so fun. So that has been the highlight of my quarantine. I wanna know what your guys' highlights have been, if there's anything that has stood out, like a day that was really fun or something that you did that you guys can share with the class down below. I would love to hear because yeah, I just wanna, you know, shed some positivity because obviously it's just not a happy time during quarantine, but you know, there are some takeaways from this that can be happy. So I think actually Madeline and I are gonna go for another drive and not for as long, probably just like a half an hour or something. So I think right now I'm gonna go make a salad. I didn't even realize it's 3:30 right now. Not sure how that happened. So at the beginning of quarantine, we definitely like were making so many meals and like making new things and we were having so much fun with it, with like trying new stuff, and that has kind of died down a bit and now we're just eating to survive. We're not really like putting that much effort into our meals. We have some standard ones that we always go to. So we have been actually getting into salads, which is very exciting. So a few days ago, we made the best salads ever. They were so beautiful. They had so many toppings on it. We massaged the kale and we had chicken, we had sweet potatoes. It was just magical. So that's also been a highlight. That was a great salad. So I think I'm gonna make it again today. Madeline is on a walk right now, so when she comes back, I'll have the salad ready for her and she'll be so happy. So let's do that. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm so sorry, like I wish, you know, I could just like crank out content in this time, but it is very difficult for me personally. I don't know about anybody else, but yeah, my friends who I've talked to have also said the same thing. So it's not just me, but sometimes it just feels like me because I'm like, oh, why haven't you posted anything, sweetie? And I'm just like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to head into the kitchen. We're gonna make a mean looking salad and it's gonna be fabulous. So let's go. Also, okay, since I have you guys right here, I was asking you guys on Instagram if I should buy the egg chair from Target. If you guys know what I'm talking about, this is what it looks like. And I asked you guys, I was like, please, somebody convince me that I don't need this because it's $400 and that's just not something that I need to be buying. But then every single one of you guys said that I need to buy it. So now I'm conflicted and I'm just like, do I do it? Because it would be so nice to have it on my porch and just like be able to sit there with my morning coffee and just have a great time soaking in the sun and just, yeah, so that's my current dilemma of the moment, if I should buy it or not. And also, if you guys were wondering, my baby hairs are growing in pretty well. So I'm very happy they don't really stick out anymore. They're still like there, but they're not as noticeable. So very happy about that, as they're sticking out currently. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Also, we have not been keeping up on this. It was a good try, but yeah. Okay, so I have this chicken marinating. It's actually been marinating for a while. I hope it's still good. I'm scared. Then we got all of our salad. This is a really good balsamic dressing from Trader Joe's that I like. Oh, the best. Gotta have the goat cheese crumbles. So this is everything that we're going to be putting in our salad. Also, something super exciting is that I bought an air fryer. So I've only used it a few times, but I have really liked it. And it just cooks stuff so fast and you don't need as much oil. So I'm gonna be cooking my sweet potato, like little pieces in here. And it only takes like 15 minutes. So that's amazing. But yeah, I'll link this down below if you guys want it, because so far I really like it, and it's not as ugly as like the other ones that I've seen that are just like big and bulky and they're just like black, but I like this one because it has a little bit of style to it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut up the sweet potatoes into little chunks because, so I'm trying to replicate kind of like a sweet green salad. If you guys have ever had sweet green salads, you guys know what I'm talking about. They have just like cubed up little pieces of sweet potato, and it's really good. Okay, I also have these ones too. So I'm gonna just cube these guys up and then stick them in the air fryer. A little bit of olive oil, some pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Okay, so now we're gonna put this into the air fryer. Do it for 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to make the chicken. So a few days ago, I marinated this with some olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper, and I think just garlic powder. I don't really like these like stems, are pretty hard, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm also gonna put a little bit of lemon in it as well. Also some pepper, garlic. I don't know how much you're supposed to do this, but it's gonna keep massaging. It's kind of fun. Okay, I'm just gonna add in the other salad and break it apart. Almost forgot about my chicken. I think these should be done by now. Oh yeah, look at those. This is like my new favorite thing. Okay, so I got all the salads right here. I'm just going to top it with some of the, okay, well I just threw some on the ground. But does anybody else like cook like this where they just have all the mess around them and then they just clean it up afterwards? Or do you guys clean up during? Because I'm definitely a clean up afterwards kind of girl. Coming in the door. Look at perfect timing.
Oh my god.
Look at I
pointing over here.
What?
Did you?
Well, I heard you opening the door, but I had just like gotten done filming. Look. How
yummy.
How fun is that?
The most fun.
I know, right? How was your walk?
Well, I have a haul.
She went to the grocery store, the post office, because we needed some more bags.
Gosh,
nice. Oh no. Wait, this is the wrong. It's the wrong one, Mads.
Why?
I've gotten this one before. Wait.
Does it matter?
Wait, because it's express.
Can't you just scribble it out? Why does it matter?
I don't know because I've gotten it before. There's like 2 different ones.
Comment
do some
below
research.
if you can use these on Poshmark and just scribble this.
Madeline tans so easily. What the heck? You literally, every time you walk in the door, you're like 10 shades darker.
Okay, well, time to eat.
Okay, time to eat.
Bye.
Okay, so we just finished up dinner and we FaceTimed a friend and now we are headed out the door because we're gonna go on a little adventure. It'll be so fun. Let's see, what do I need? My water bottle. Oh, I need my mask too, just in case we might go for a walk after. We're gonna see if the Griffith Observatory is open? Oh my gosh, isn't it gonna be so hot?
No.
Okay, let's go make sure my Jeep is okay because I didn't put the top back on. Is that bad?
No.
I'm scared. But it's in a gated garage, so we should be fine. But let's go see. Fill her up. Gotta stay hydrated. I've been actually drinking a lot more water these days. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I'm really glad. I think it's because I'm home all day so that I can just pee whenever and not have to worry about it.
Agreed.
So that's
And it's
great.
like, mostly I ask myself like, because I'll be like, oh, I'm hungry, and then I'm like,
Or am I
"I'm not
just
hungry."
thirsty?
You're just bored and you're probably just thirsty, so.
Yeah, that is true. I do that too. All right, let's go. Got your face mask?
Nice.
Okay, nothing sketchy is happening here, right?
Oh, there's all this money over here.
Nobody stole it?
No one stole the big wad of cash we had.
Wow, good. Guys, look at how cool this is. It makes me so happy. We just stored it in Madeline's car right there. I love getting the shot of me putting, I don't know why I always do it. All right, DJ, let's get some tunes.
Okay.
Okay, so we just found a parking spot on the side of the road and we're just gonna walk up and see how far we can go. They blocked off like for us to drive up, but we're gonna walk. So we gotta gear up here. I also wish I brought a jacket, but it's fine because I usually get hot when I start walking, so hopefully I'll be fine, but gotta put the face mask on.